today we are discussing about some math shortcuts, multiplication, (54 into 56), some 24 into 26, 37 into 33. Now take the tens place value, add 1 to the 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 into this 5, 30. Now multiply the unit place. 4 into 6, 24. So 54 into 56 is equal to 3024. Now take tens place, which is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. Now multiply the unit place values. 4 into 6, 24. So 24 into 26 equal to 624. Now tens place is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 into 3, 12. 7 into 3, 21. So 37 into 33 equal to 1221. Now 83 into 87. Take tens place here 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 into this 8, 72. 3 into 7, 21. So 7221. Next 113 into 117. So take 11 plus 1, 12. 12 into 11, 132. And 3 sevens, 21. So 13,221, which is a 113 into 117. Next, the product of two numbers ending with 5. Same numbers ending with 5. Same numbers ending with 5. 25 into 25. Now take tens place here. Add 1 to the tens place. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. Now multiply the 5 into 5, 25. So 625. 35 into 35. Add 1 to the tens place. Here the tens place is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 into this 3, 12. Now 5 into 5, 25. So 1225. So 55 into 55. Add 1 to the tens place. So 5 plus 1, 6. 6 into 5, 30. And then 5 into 5, 25. Some 75 into 75. Add 1 to the tens place. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 7 ja 56. Then 5 into 5, 25. Now so multiplication of numbers near to 100. Near to 100. If you take 98 into 97. 98 into 97. So how much less this 98 to the 100? 2. It's 2 less. So this 97 is 3 less to the 100. Now multiply this 2 into 3, 6. Now take 0, 6. Now take in the cross way 97 minus 2, you will get 95, or 98 minus 3, you will get 95. So 98 into 97 is equal to 9506. I am taking one more number, 92 into 96. So 92 how much less than to the 100? 8. So 96 is how much less than to the 100? 4. Now multiply 8 into 4, 32. Take in the cross way 96 minus 8 or 92 minus 4. Either 96 minus 8 or 92 minus 4, which gives 88. So the product of 92 into 96 is equal to 8832. Now, if the numbers 102 into 104, when the number is more than 100, here how much more to the 100? 2. Here 4 is more to the 100. 4 is more to the 100. Now multiply 2 into 4, 8. I am taking 0, 8. 0 into 8, 0, 8. Now take cross way 102 plus 4, 104 plus 2. Either 102 plus 4 it should take, or 104 plus 2, which gives 106. So 102 into 104 equal to 10,608. Next. Square root of 20 plus square root of 20 plus square root of 20 plus so on and so on infinite. So how to find this value? So in the number we have 20. Now write this 20 as product of two consecutive numbers. 20 can be written as 5 into 4. We should write this 20 as product of two consecutive numbers. So among these two, what the maximum value we have, that is the answer. So here 5 and 4, the maximum value is 5. So answer is 5. If you take one more, 56 plus square root of 56 plus square root of 56 plus and so on infinite. So here we have the number is 56. Take this number 56 and write the product of two numbers which should be conjugate numbers, which are 7 into 8. The product of two conjugate numbers. Among these two, what the maximum value we have? 8. So this answer is 8. Square root of 42 minus square root of 42 minus square root of 42 minus and so on infinite is equal to, here we have 42. This 42 write as product of two conjugate numbers, which is 7 into 6. 7 6 are 42. So whenever we have a negative sign here, among these two numbers we have taken the least value, which is 6. Least value. When we have negative, we get least value. When we have plus, we get the maximum value. Next, square root of 3, square root of 3, square root of 3, square root of 3. So here we have the product sign. In the previous cases we have passed plus and here minus. Now we have the product case. So here what the number we have, which is 3. Now we should have the formula 2 to the power n minus 1 by 2 to the power n, where n equal to number of repetitions. We have how many times we have 3? 1, 2, 3, 4. So n equal to 4. Then 3 to the power 2 power 4 minus 1 by 2 to the power 4 is equal to 2 power 4 means 16. 16 minus 1 15 by 2 power 4 means 16. So 3 to the power 15 by 16.